everyone. Today I want to share all of you about replace timing belt Citroen C4 1.6 engine. You can see my video. This is the pin when you lock on the flywheel for stopper, for rotation, for crank lock pins. Then this is this way, and then this is the hole on the camshaft. So you see this is the TDC hole camshaft. If you take the dry belt, you can take tension and then take out the dry belt. This is the crank mark TDC. It's the pin. This one to this one. So you can mark like this. But you do not forget about the lock pin that I mentioned about. This is pin for lock a flywheel. And then this is the hole for crankshaft lock TDC. So you see that I lost this. It is a scam. This is intake. So you see this hole. This hole. Lock alignment. This hole. This is perfect. The TDC. This is a mark. The crank. This is the tensioner that we take 21 Newton meter. Island point we take 15 Newton meter. This water pump we take 10 Newton meter. Crankshaft 3 ball we take 25 Newton meter. This is TDC, this is TDC, this is TDC. Before you take out the dry belt, you must alignment camshaft and crankshaft. So tension maybe try. We must alignment this pin, the arrow between the hole like this. Like this. This is the correction for tensioner. So that I mentioned above is the max crank tensioner. We must 21 Newton meter. The water pump 10 Newton meter. Idle point 50 Newton meters. 3 screw out tension. Crankshaft is the 25 Newton. So you see the tensioner, the pump, and then a pin that I mark here. This is that I mark between the crank and the shoe. That easy to mention. This is the point we meet TDC. So this is the cam lock pin. Cam locking pin. This is the intake. That means that is the TDC. So I can recap all the mark cranks that I mentioned, that I take marks like this. So I hope you understand that maybe take rotation screw, you must pin between the hole. When pin like this is correct tensioner. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. This is pin lock crank, and then don't forget turn to revolution of the crank. Thank you so much.